is a winter weather message. For the following counties in New York, Madison, Onondaga, Seneca, Southern Cayuga, Southern Oneida, and Yates. Winter storm watch in effect from Monday morning through Tuesday evening. What? Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 12 inches possible. Where? Yates, Seneca, Southern Cayuga, Onondaga, Madison, and Southern Oneida counties. When? From Monday morning through Tuesday evening. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Additional details. This will be a long-duration event. Light snow falls for some locations tonight through Monday, but then snow may become heavy at times Monday night through Tuesday with areas of blowing snow. Monitor the latest forecast for updates on this situation.